how to restore deleted posts on Instagram 2022. Firstly, when you open up your second selection, you need to go on your profile side selection right here on your profile, then go on the three dots on your right upper side, go on the first selection, which is settings, and right here you can simply scroll down and go for account, and then you need to scroll down and take a look on the selection which is for recently deleted. But as you can see here, I cannot find option which is like that. This is why I'm gonna get back, and right here on the search box I'm gonna type recently deleted, go on the second selection, and now as you can see I don't have any side selection which is deleted on Instagram. But if you have it and if you wanna restore it, I'm gonna show you how that looks like. Firstly, for example, we are gonna go with my profile selection, and I will go with this photo. Just go right here, go delete again, and now just go dismiss, get back, go to that settings site, on the search box here type for recently deleted, and now here you can find out that selection. And if you want to restore it, simply go on the three dots on your right upper side and go on the second one, which is right down, restore, and now you go restore again and you have done it.